What is up, guys? Welcome to my channel. I'm Alex, and today we're going to be doing kind of a different video from what I usually upload to the channel. We're going to be talking about future plans. Okay, so we're going to be driving from here. We are in Chinchilla de Montaragón to Albacete, which is my hometown. We're only at a 10-minute drive or so nothing crazy. And let's go. Okay, guys, so I'm uploading basically anything I want to the channel right now. Obviously car related content, but yeah, about my car, about cars that brands let me to use and to recall with, and yeah, car related content. But maybe I would like to do more of these just talking videos and sharing opinions of cars and car related stuff. Okay, so nothing fancy, but yeah, kind of a different type of content to what I upload to the channel. Now, in the future, I would like to bring more cars and more cars owned by me, because I'm planning of buying another cars with a BMW engine. Why do I say this? Because I'm looking at cars like the Toyota Supra, which has the B58. I'm in love with that engine. It's really reliable, sounds great, really powerful, and I think it's a great engine overall. Okay, I like it. But we also have the M240i, which is a really cool car. I do like it. X-Drive, really powerful also because of the engine, same engine as the Supra. So that's why I say BMW engine. And but we'll have also another options like the M340i, M140i from the previous gen, which also has the B58 engine, just a bit with older internals, let's say. Okay, let's merge in the highway, guys. Okay, so my plan is to go buy probably Germany, because here in Spain the market is not nice for those models. What you find is with really high kilometers, high priced also, and a bit older cars. I don't know why is that, especially with the Supra, BM240is and M340is. It's better, but with the Supras it's crazy. Like I cannot find a unit with less than 20,000 kilometers here in Spain. But you have plenty of those in Germany. And I know it comes with some increased costs, because you have to import it, do the matriculation, the plate stuff. So it's going to be some expenses extra, but I feel like it's going to be worth it. So it's probably going to be cool to be recording all of that. I don't know when I'm going to be doing that, hopefully in this year. But it's it's a big amount of money. I have to plan it properly. So yeah, but I think, and I would love to do it, so it will probably happen, and you will be able to see it, guys, on the channel. Let me know what you think about that car. You might like it, you might not. It's different from this, the Abarth, which, by the way, I'm not planning to sell it. I'll probably keep it as a daily, because it works really well, and it's a nice little car, so probably not worth selling. I'm going to keep it as my daily, I think. I have an old Toyota also, but I will probably get rid of that. Probably a bad decision, because Toyota will never be a bad idea to keep, especially those old gas engines that are just so reliable. Okay. So yeah, so I have some friends with Supras, and they made me realize how great that engine is. You can do tons of mod on it and go to higher amounts of power, which to be honest I might do it, but probably not. I want to keep the car fairly stock like this one, which I've not done any tune to the motor, to the engine at all. I've done some suspension stuff and spacers to make the car look better, but no performance increases. So we'll probably keep that car stock also, but we will see. It's a car that handles great, and I have had the opportunity to sat on one of those. And to be honest with you, it feels like a supercar, especially obviously if you modify it. I kind of understand that if it's stock, it's not the same, but that engine really pulls as crazy. So yeah, and it sounds amazing too. You can have the pop and bangs tune. I'm not a fan of, but if you do have it, it's just crazy, like a really fun weekend car. Okay, but I'm planning on it because, well, you have to understand my age. I'm 24, so insurance costs will be higher for me because I'm kind of young. Not that young anymore, but I'm still young for insurance companies. So that car will be costly when it comes to insurance costs. I'm planning on buying it soon. So yeah, we'll probably have the same age. Maybe I'll be 25, but yeah, I have to remember that. Also, the maintenance costs of a car like that is higher. I'm not going to be using it as a daily or going super fast on track days every weekend. So obviously it's not going to be that crazy. That engine is not, it's not an S58 from an M car. So it's going to be more doable, okay? But anyway, it's going to be expensive, of course, because I will have to maintain this car as a daily, and also the Supra M240, whatever, for the weekends. Yeah, it's kind of a hard decision, by the way, because I really do love the way the Supras look. I think I'm going this way. Yeah, I think I'm going this way. I really do like and love the way the Supra looks, but the interior of the BMWs is better. It's more modern. Okay, the M240i G42 has this wider screen that I kind of do like it. I can understand why some people are a hater of that screen, but for me it looks great. And you have all that infotainment system from BMW that tends to be better than the rest of the brand. Okay. Also the interior, I've sat in both, and I feel like I prefer the BMW interior. Although in the Supra, you cannot really feel like you're driving a sports car. The sitting position is a bit lowered, I think, and you feel very surrounded. So it's not like you have plenty of space inside. It's obviously not going to be a useful car. You can just carry 2 people, which is something to consider as well, because here in the Abarth, you have 2 seats in the front that are completely normal and usable. I'm almost 2 meters of height, 6.4, and I'm able to sit here just fine. Not in the back seats, but for some short trips, you can use the back seats. Not in the Supra, because you don't have back seats, okay? But you do have back seats on the M240i and M340i, which is also a really cool car. It's almost an M3, but more usable, and yeah, it's a daily, okay? So yeah, currently my kind of dream car, well, not dream car, but a car I would like to also own in the future is an M3. So obviously the M340i is appealing as well. But you know, the style of the Supra is really good, and I'm really in love with that car, which it's probably going to the one that I'll be picking of those 3. But we have to see, because we have to see the market, and if I find a good deal on any of those 3, I would highly consider going for it, okay? What are these guys doing here? Oh, they want to go to their restaurant, okay. Yeah, okay, so we have arrived at Albacete already. So as you can see, it's a pretty short trip. I think I'm going to park over here. So you guys, that is my future plans for the channel. It's not for the channel, it's more about the cars that I want to buy. But of course, since my channel is about me and my cars and driving it, it's kind of related with the channel, of course. So hopefully you will be able to see that car owned by me, because I'm planning to bring more cars to the channel. I'll be doing some rentals and also some collabs with brands in Spain, maybe with Volkswagen and also with the new Abarth 600e. We did the Abarth 500e, but I hope I can get to I can bring the Abarth 600E to the channel. So anyway, guys, this is it for the video. Consider subscribing if you kind of enjoy watching me talking and driving my cars, and thank you very much. See you on the next one.